I went to China because AIP and other publishers of journals are noticing a huge uptick in the number and quality of papers coming from China.
AIP is very pleased to open its first international office in China.
I think it's very good news.
I'm glad to hear that. It's about time.
AIP is in China because it makes sense.
It's a different China.
China's become a world force in physics and other sciences.
Physics in China has changed a great deal.
The progress in China is amazing.
Noticeable contribution to science research.
Physics Today, the magazine I work for, are not doing a good job of covering these developments.
Dynamic young people with a lot of dreams, a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of hope for the future, a lot of willingness to work.
My job was to go to China and meet the physicists who are doing all this good new work.
My research is on nanomaterials. The structures and the properties totally different from the conventional materials.
I study quantum information. I do mostly theory and some experimental studies.
Physics and mathematics can bring quantitative idea to biology.
Many of the labs are brand new, full of new equipment.
With this kind of laser, it's helped to understand high-temperature superconductivity.
I could detect evidence of the respect Chinese have for teaching and learning.
Scientific values are important for real advance of science. The objectivity, honesty, integrity, working together.
AIP brings to China the opportunity to publish research in some of the best journals in the world and to participate in the worldwide publishing enterprise.
The AIP journal is very important for our institute's researcher.
Physics in China brings to the world the economic and intellectual resources of the world's biggest country. China is not yet the world's biggest physics country, but it soon will be.
There's certainly no national boundary in the development of science. There's no Chinese science, American science. Everything we do is international.
We have different nationalities, but we have the same name, scientist.
We all are using the same language, which is the numbers, the maths.
Science is an endless frontier, and the exploration of that had to be made collaboratively.
AIP doesn't define the world of physics. AIP is a reflection of the world of science as it is today. And now, with China taking its rightful place, it completes the picture that AIP reflects.
I'm very excited personally about the opportunities that we have to show the best of Chinese science to the rest of the world.
And I hope that this office could foster closer collaboration between the scientists in China and worldwide.
AIP 在北京开设了代表处，这为我们中国科学家提供了一个非常好的接近世界研究前沿的一个平台，希望我们大家能够充分利用好它。